speaking of these displays, look at this. Images of a 5.4-inch iPhone 12 display panel surfaces on Weibo, Chinese social media. And what's interesting here, of course, you can tell immediately the display has these tiny little slim bezels, barely any. Now, maybe the chassis of the device is going to add something, but still, Will, you know that the rumors and leaks are putting at least a couple of these new models as this sort of more slender, more, how would you describe it? Modern, I guess. Yeah. Even though it's sort of seems inspired by old Apple designs, they're more the potentially more modern approach of squaring some things, thinning some things out. Well, this would appear to point in that direction. Another thing about this leak, you can look at the notch cutout. Some had speculated that Apple may, on one of the models, shrink the notch somewhat. That doesn't look too shrunken to me. Looks like a pretty similar scale, notch scale. So they predict that this is a 5.4-inch model just because of the hand scale in this particular image. Of course, there's going to be multiple models. You could have a 5.4-inch model, two 6.1-inch models, and a 6.7-inch model. Lots to choose from in the next generation iPhone, which, I have to remind you, has been delayed. Probably not going to see it until October at this point because of supply issues, maybe even supply issues when it comes to displays. But anyway, there's a first look pointing in the direction of that next design. I know you're very excited, Will.